Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a really handy shortcut that you can use with your elements if you ever want to clone something that you're using in multiple places. So here's a really quick example. Let's say that you've created a form and you want to use this form on multiple pages and you want it to do the exact same thing, look the exact same way. You're probably familiar with reusable elements. This is perfect for things like your headers, your footers, things that you want to work exactly the same on multiple pages. But let's say that you've created an element not as a reusable element, but then you decide you want to turn it into one. Well, if you right-click on the element, so I'm right-clicking on this group here that contains this form, there's an action just for that. So it says here, convert into a reusable element, and you'll want to give it a name, so I'll just call it my green form here. And it'll take you to the editor for that reusable element. Now you can see that some of the elements inside here have shifted around a little bit, so you might have to readjust some of the alignment, but all of the workflows will carry over, and now you can use the reusable element on multiple pages. So if I go back to my test page, I can get rid of, I'm going to delete the original form here. This is the source that turned into the reusable element, because I want to get rid of that now and use my reusable element that I just created. Add that to the page just like that. And now I've made working with this form a lot easier for myself across multiple pages. You can see I can add another one right next to it. If you want more tips like this, I have a free download over on my site. Just click the link in the description below and you can download the guide there for free. Thanks so much for watching.